Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video on our channel. Now, let's start this one differently. Imagine you could say, like, hey Sissy, replace the background in this photo with a beach sunset. Boom, done. In seconds. No sliders, no menus, no headaches. Just talk and it happens. That's the magic of the Fotor AI agent, also known as Sissy. And today I'm going to be showing you guys why this isn't just another photo editing tool, but a complete rethink of how we interact with images. Alright, imagine having a personal assistant who doesn't just follow instructions, but does it with precision and style. That's Sissy, your on-demand creative genie for photo editing. This isn't just about filters and tweaks, it's about telling your device exactly what you want and simply watching it happen. Now let's kick things off with one of my personal favorites. That is text or voice input. You can either type your request or simply say it and Sissy makes it real. The web version already supports text input and recently it also got voice input. For now, voice commands are app only. So first, I'll demo a quick text edit on the web. Then, at the end, I'll jump into the app itself to actually show you voice control in action. Feature 1 is the background replacement. It's perfect for e-commerce sellers, marketers, or basically anyone who wants to place a product or person in a completely different setting without complicated software. Say, put me in Times Square, or change the background to a pastel color, and it's done. Clean, crisp, professional results in seconds. Now, apart from that, we have the targeted edits. Need to change the color of a shirt? Make someone's jacket leather instead of denim? Try a completely new hairstyle? Just tell Sissy what you want and it zeroes in on that one detail without touching the rest of the image. It's like having a pro stylist and editor working in the background. Then, one-click object removal. We've all been there, I know I have. A perfect shot ruined by a random tourist or an awkward object in the frame that simply doesn't fit. Just point it out or type it in and Sissy erases it seamlessly. No traces, no mess. Now for the fun. Style transformation. Want your photo in a Studio Ghibli style? A 3D cartoon look? Full anime mode? Just say the word and your image transforms while keeping details like facial expressions and poses intact. And here's one I love showing off. Virtual in reality. Take a casual photo, transform the person into a 3D cartoon while keeping the real background untouched. The blend between fantasy and real life is so striking, you'll want to post it instantly. Everything I've shown so far was on the web version, but the mobile app can do it all too. Plus, it already supports voice commands. Now, let's try a text prompt on the app for a quick variety. Replace background with night city skyline. Instant transformation. Fotor AI agent isn't perfect. Sometimes you might need to tweak your request or try a couple of variations, but it's learning constantly and getting sharper every single week. Whether you're a content creator, small business owner, or just want your personal photos to look stunning without effort, this is a tool definitely worth trying. You can start for free with a limited number of uses, so there's no reason not to jump in. If this gave you ideas, subscribe and ring the bell so that you don't miss on the next one. Big things are definitely coming and you'll want to be here when they drop. Thank you for watching this video today. I really hope you actually enjoyed it. Definitely make sure to comment down below what your thoughts and opinions are on this, and I really hope to see you all in the next video.